Hey there, caregivers. This video is by The World of Work. And for WOW Home Care employees today, I'm diving into a crucial topic, boosting health through nutrition and hydration in care. Let's get started. First up, food safety. It's not just about avoiding a dodgy stomach, it's about preventing severe illnesses, especially in vulnerable adults. So, what's the deal with food safety? It's all about good hygiene. Wash your hands, sanitize surfaces and utensils, store and cook food at the right temperatures, keep an eye on expiry dates and use personal protective equipment when handling food. Simple steps, but they can make a massive difference. Now, let's talk about nutrition and hydration. Why are they so vital? Well, proper nutrition fuels our bodies, helping with growth, repair, and maintaining bodily functions. It keeps energy levels up and supports mental health. Hydration, on the other hand, is essential for digestion, circulation, cognitive function, kidney health, and even temperature regulation. Good nutrition and hydration can boost immunity, mood, and overall quality of life, while reducing the risk of illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and infections. But what happens when nutrition and hydration go wrong? Look out for physical signs like weight changes, fatigue, muscle weakness, dry skin, brittle nails, mouth sores, poor oral health, constipation, dark urine, headaches, and dizziness. Emotional signs include irritability, anxiety, depression, and confusion. Behavioral signs might be decreased appetite, difficulty swallowing, refusal to eat or drink, and social withdrawal. Spotting these signs early is key. So how can you promote and support adequate nutrition and hydration? Offer regular meals, snacks, and drinks throughout the day. Make meals appealing, nutritious, and tailored to personal tastes and dietary needs. Assist respectfully during eating and drinking, and make meal times social and pleasant. Educate individuals about healthy eating and hydration practices, and regularly review and update care plans to reflect changing needs. Identifying and reporting changes or risks is crucial too. Observe eating and drinking habits, body weight, physical appearance, energy levels, and overall health. Noticeable appetite loss, swallowing difficulties, and signs of dehydration or malnutrition should be reported promptly. Follow your organization's protocols, inform senior colleagues, update care records, consult healthcare professionals, and ensure timely action. Let's get practical. How do you identify nutrition and hydration care needs? Review care plans, personal assessments, and medical histories. Observe eating habits, discuss preferences directly with the individual, and consult family or professionals like dietitians. This comprehensive approach tailors care to each person's requirements. Remember, various factors can affect these needs. Health conditions, dietary requirements, physical issues, cultural, religious, and ethical beliefs, personal preferences, mental health, and medication side effects all play a role. Supporting individuals involves preparing culturally appropriate, nutritionally balanced meals that align with care plans. Respect personal choices, assist sensitively during meals, ensure fluids and snacks are accessible, encourage social interaction, and follow professional advice for special nutritional needs. Monitoring and recording are just as important. Maintain accurate documentation, like daily food and fluid intake charts, and note changes in appetite or dietary habits. Use both electronic and paper-based systems per your organization's procedures. Accurate records ensure timely responses to nutritional concerns. And finally, seek additional advice when needed. If you notice sudden weight changes, swallowing difficulties, signs of dehydration or malnutrition, or behavioral changes, consult senior staff, healthcare professionals, family carers, or specialist support services. So there you have it, folks. By focusing on food safety, good nutrition, and proper hydration, you're not just meeting basic needs, you're enhancing lives. Thanks for tuning in, and keep up the fantastic work.